Hey y'all, Catherine here. Welcome to day 8 of our 10-day creativity challenge. So today's topic is getting creatively unstuck. So I'm pretty sure this happens to all of us. We just kind of get in that low valley where we're just like, I'm feeling stuck. I don't have any new ideas. I'm just feeling really blah. So I wanted to share a couple of my favorite ways to get creatively unstuck. Number one is to go on a walk. It's my most favorite thing to do. And bonus points if you don't listen to anything, like no podcast, no music, just take a walk with you, yourself, awareness of what's around you. Just take like a 20-minute walk if that's something that you're able to do. That's a wonderful way to just kind of get out of your head, get some nice movement, get some sunshine, and I always come up with new ideas on my walk. I always come back invigorated. Another idea is to take yourself out on a solo creative date. So maybe you take yourself out just for coffee. Maybe you go on a lunch date or a dinner date. Maybe you go to a museum. Maybe you go on a hike. Whatever it is, choose something. And this might put you out of your comfort zone a little bit, especially like going out to dinner alone. Maybe that's not something you've done before, or maybe it is, and you're like, I do that all the time. But a bonus challenge for this is to not be on your phone. So really take in your surroundings, be friends with yourself, be in the present moment, and just see what ideas, shake it up a little bit, see what ideas you come up with. And also no pressure to come up with ideas. Often when we let ourselves get bored, not looking at a screen, that's when we come up with our best ideas, or even better, we just refresh our minds. So your assignment for this challenge, number 1, is to go on a walk. Number 2, to take yourself out on a creative date. And you can really have fun with that. Be creative with what you decide. Let me know. I would love to hear about it. I am due for my own creative date, so I'd love to hear about yours. I will see you soon in day 9. We're almost there. Bye. Ukulele wine time.